Hello viewers, today we are discuss about 7th Maths term 1 chapter 4 direct and inverse proportion. This is a chapter page. Then now we are going to the exercise page. Right. What is the direct proportion? Proportion. So proportion is classified two types. One is direct proportion and then another one is inverse proportion. Right. This is a formula of direct proportion. So what is the direct proportion? So x increases, that means once increases another one is also increases. இப்போ குடும்பத்துல 5 members இருந்தா 10,000 rupees செலவாகுதுன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. அதுவே 10 members இருந்தாக்க 20,000 rupees செலவாகும். அப்போ number of members increase ஆகும்போது அதனுடைய expenditure increase ஆகும். That means increase in x increases, y also increases, and x decreases, y also decreases is called direct proportion. And then inverse proportion, what is that? X increases and y decreases. So x increase ஆகும்போது y decrease ஆச்சுன்னா அது என்னது? Inverse variation, that is proportion. Right. X decreases and y increases. அதாவது x increase ஆகும்போது y decrease ஆனாலும் x decrease ஆகும்போது y increase ஆனாலும் அது inverse proportion. அது என்னன்றதை நம்ம சம்ல பார்க்கலாம். Right. So it is the 4.1 exercise. First, what is that? So if the cost of 8 apples is 56, then the cost of 12 apples, 56 divided by 8 into 12, so what is that? 84. Then the weight of one fruit box is 3.5 kilogram. Then the weight of 6 such boxes, or box nude weight என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. 3.5 into 6, that means 6 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2 into 6. இதை cancel பண்ணா நமக்கு 21. Then car travels 60 km with a 3 liter petrol. 3 liter petrolக்கு 60 km போகுதுன்னா 1 liter petrolக்கு 60 by 3. What is that? 20. Then a car has covered to distance 200 km. 1 liter petrolக்கு 20 km போகுதுன்னா 200 km அது எத்தனை லிட்டர் பெட்ரோல்ல கவர் பண்ணும்? It requires 200 divided by 20 is equal to 10. So 10 liters. Then 7 meter cloth cost 294. Then the cost of 5 meter. 7 meter cloth oda rate 294 னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Then 5 meter cloth oda rate எவ்வளவு அப்படினு கேக்குறாங்க. That is 294 divided by 7 into 5. Totally 210. Then a machine in a cool drinks, if a machine in a cool drinks factory fills 600 bottles in 5 hours. 5 hours la 600 bottles la fill பண்ணதுனா it will dash bottles in 3 hours. 3 hours la எவ்வளவு fill பண்ணும்? அப்போ இத பாத்தீங்கன்னா 600 divided by 5 60. 1 hour க்கு 60 bottles fill பண்ணுது. அப்போ 3 hours 1 hour க்கு 120. 600 divided by 5, that is 120. 1 hour க்கு 120 bottles fill பண்ணுது. அப்போ 3 into 120, 600 divided by 5 is equal to 120 into 3 is equal to 360. 360. Then next, true or false? Distance traveled by a bus taken or in direct proportion. Yes, it is a true. Bus travels and time taken. 1 hour க்கு 20 km, 2 hour க்கு 40 km, 3 hour க்கு 60 km. அப்போ அவன் increase ஆக அவனுடைய distance increase ஆகிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். Then expenditure of family members, the family is in direct variation. Yes, true. familyல எத்தனை மெம்பர் இருக்காங்களோ அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி expenditure increase ஆயிட்டே போகும். The number of students in a hostel consumption of food are not in direct proportion. பசங்க எவ்வளோ இருக்கிறாங்களோ அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி அவனுடைய ஃபுட் கன்சப்ஷன் நடந்துட்டு தான் இருக்கும். அப்போ இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆக ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் இட் it is a false because it is a not direct variation கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. It is a direct variation. Then next fourth sum, true or false. If Malika walks 1 kilometer in 20 minutes, then she can cover 3 kilometer in 1 hour. So 1 kilometer in 20 minutes, 3 kilometer ku 1 hour. Yes, 60 minutes. It's a true. Then a man can dig a pond in 8 days. Then 12 men வந்து 8 daysல clear பண்றாங்கன்னா 18 men can dig in 6 days. It is false. Right. Next is a exercise page. So what is that? See the sums. So today we are discuss about the up to ninth sum, right? So now we are go to the third sum, right? What is that? A dozen means how much? 12, right? A dozen banana is 20 rupees and then 48 bananas, okay? Then banana, then cost 12 banana 20 rupees, then 48 banana x1, right now x2, right? What is that? y2. What is the formula? Banana increases, the cost price is also increases, okay? Number of banana increases, and the cost is also increases. So it is direct proportion. It is direct proportion, right? x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. அப்படியே இதில் இருக்கிறத அப்படியே அப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. What is that? x1 12 divided by 18, so 48. Then next, sorry, this is x1, then y1, x2, y2, right? So 12 divided by 20 equal to, what is that? 48 divided by, what is that? y2, right? Now so what is that? அப்படியே மாற்றி போட்டுக்கோங்க. y2 is equal to 48 into 20 divided by 12. அப்படியே cancel பண்ணா 4 times. So y2 is equal to how much? 80 rupees 80, right? Now the next 21 students paid, number of students, and then paid, yes. So what is that? Number of students 21. How much paid? 840. Then x2 students paid 1680, right? So that is, it is on x1, y1, x2, y2, right? What is that? Amount increases, number of student also increases. இங்க பாருங்க 21 ஸ்டூடண்ட்டுக்கு 840 rupees and then அப்போ இங்க amount increase ஆயிருக்கு. அப்போ கண்டிப்பா இந்த இடத்துல என்ன ஆயிருக்கும்? Students is also increased here, right? So what is that? Amount increases. And then students also increases. So direct proportion. Direct proportion. So what is that formula? x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2, right? x1, what is that? 21 divided by 840, next, equal to, what is that? x2 divided by 1680. Now here x2 equal to இது அப்படியே என்னென்ன கொண்டு வாங்க 21 divided by 840 into 1680. இதை இதால் கேன்சல் பண்ணால் 2 times, அப்போ டோட்டலாக எவ்வளோ வருது 42 students. 42 students, right? Next, fifth sum. 120 people. What is that? 120 people take 8 trips in a lift, and then how many people take 12 trips? 8 trips க்கு 120 people கொண்டு போகுதுன்னா அந்த lift, 12 trips க்கு எத்தனை people அது எடுத்துட்டு போவோம்? That 120 people in 8 trips, and then x2 people in 12 periods, 12 trips, right? What is that? Number of trips increases, number of people also increases. Number of trips increases, then number of people also increases. Yes, so it's direct proportion. Then what is the formula? x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Then x1 how much? 120 divided by y1 8 equal to x2 by 12, right? So x2 equal to 120 divided by 8 into 12. இதெல்லாம் அடிச்சாக்கா 15 times. So what is that? x2 equal to how much? 180. 180 people. 180 people. You are able to understand? Don't forget it, keep it mind. So height, how much? This sum is, what is this sum here? Look it here. What is that? The shadow of a pole with a height of 8 meter is 6 meter. If the shadow of another pole is measured in the same time 30 meter, find the height of the pole, right? So what is that? Height equal to 8 meter normal height. The height of shadow is equal to 6 meter, and then height of the pole, that is equal to x2, and then height of the shadow is equal to 12 meter, right? Now, so height decreases. Height in நார்மலாக இதனுடைய ஹைட் எவ்வளோன்னு, அந்த எலக்ட்ரிக் போலோட ஹைட் எவ்வளோன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 8 மீட்டர். அதில் ஷேடோவோட இது வந்து என்ன ஆகும், 6 மீட்டராக இருக்குது. அப்போ இது 30 இருந்தால், இது 30 இருந்தால் இது இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகியிருக்கு. அப்போ இதை விட இது இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகி இருக்கும். ஸோ இட் இஸ் கால்ட் டைரக்ட் ப்ரொப்போர்ஷன். ஸோ height of shadow increases and height of the pole also increases, right? It's direct proportion. Then, so what is that? x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. x1 how much? 8. y1 6 equal to x2 divided by 30. So x2 equal to 8 divided by 6 into 30, right? இதெல்லாம் அடிச்சா 5 times. So what is that? x2 is equal to 40 meter. x2 is equal to 40 meter. Then next, number of letters a postman send. The number of letters a can sort out 738 letters in 6 hours. How many letters can be sorted in 9 hours? 738 letters 6 ஹவர்ஸில் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணுறாருன்னா 9 ஹவர்ஸில் எவ்வளோ லெட்டர்ஸ் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணுவார்? அப்போ இதை விட இது அதிகமாக இருக்கும்போது இதை விட என்ன இருக்கும்? அதிகமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இட் இஸ் அ டைரக்ட் வேரியேஷன். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் தட்? number of hour increases. Number of hour increases. Then number of letters also increases, right? Now x1 by y1, so it is a direct variation, direct proportion, right? Listen, x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. What is x1? 738 divided by 6 equal to x2 by 9. So that is x2 equal to 738 divided by 6 into 9. 6 into 9. It is 2 times. This is 3 times. இதால cancel பண்ணா எவ்வளோ இருக்கு பாருங்க. 3 6 8. 3 6 8. So 3 6 8. 6 ஆல் அடிச்சிடலாமா? 1. It is a 1. and then 2, then what is that? 3, 123, 123, 123 into 9. So x2 equal to 123 into 9. How much? x2 equal to 1107. So it is the answer. Right. Next. What is the next sum? If half meter of cloth cost 15 rupees. Yes. Half meter cloth oda rate எவ்வளோன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா 15 meter. அதே 8 1/3 meter cloth oda rate என்ன? Right. ஸோ அப்போது கிளாத்தோட மெஷர்மெண்ட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும்போது அதனுடைய காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸும் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். ரைட். ஓகே. ரைட் நவ் தென் லென்த் இன்க்ரீசஸ். Price also increases. Its direct proportion. Right. So what is that? x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Right. So x1 how much? 1/2 divided by 15 equal to 8 1/3 divided by x2. x2. Right. x2 or y2? y2. Right. Listen. y2 is equal to how much? 15 divided by half into right. So y2 equal to what is that? 8 1/3 8 1/3 divided by 1/2 divided by 1/2 into 15. So that means equal to இங்கே பாருங்கள் என்ன இருக்குன்ட்டு 8 3 2s are 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25/2 divided by 1/2 into 15. So that is what is that? 25 divided by 2 into 2/1 into 15. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் கேன்சல் பண்ணால் what is that? 15 into 25. 15 into 25. Sorry 1/3 that is 25/3 25/3. So இதை இதால் கேன்சல் பண்ணால் how much? 5 times இந்த 2 அப்படியே இருக்கட்டும். So what is that? 50 into 5 how much? 250. What is that? 250 rupees. 250. Right. Next number of books and weight. 72 books 9 kilogram and then 40 books. Number of books decreases, then weight also decreases. It is a direct variation. Number of books decreases, weight also decreases. It is direct proportion, right? So what is that? Listen, x1 divided by y1 equal to x2 divided by y2. Then so x1 70 divided by 9 equal to 40 divided by y1. So y1 y2 equal to 70 9 divided by 70 into 40. 9 divided by 70 into 40. இதால் இதை cancel பண்ணிடலாம். So that listen, so that y2 equal to 7 4s are 7 9s are 9 4s are 36 divided by 7. So 36 7 5 35 carry 1. Then what is that? 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram right now. So that's all today's class. We will see the next video with the next sum. Thank you, students.